Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically comment using stickers on Facebook, I guess. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to select comment here. So you can comment using an emoji, GIFs, or stickers, or an avatar sticker. Just select the one you want. I'll just use sticker here, and then I'll do celebrating. I don't know. There's a lot of options you can choose from. There's even like a Family Guy one. I'm just going to, for instance, select, I don't know, this one. And then once you're done, you're just going to press enter to comment. You can again select from emojis or even comment with your avatar sticker. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.